So this is literally a bad boy, right? Bad boy mower. It's not mine, belongs to my neighbor. But we have an understanding. He breaks it, I fix it, and then Mayhem gets to drive it around and mow my grass. Mayhem's kind of like Forrest Gump. You put him on a lawnmower, that kid is gone for hours just driving around mowing grass with a big old smile on his face, like Forrest Gump. But it's got a problem. When you try to turn, well, when you try to use the left control and make it go right or back up to the left, it squeaks, doesn't move, belt's worn out. So today we're going to replace the belt, drive belt, on this bad boy mower. It's a 6000 CZT. So if you have something similar, this is the belt you're looking for. I bought it from the same place where they purchased it, so it should fit. Those guys behind the counter appeared to know what they were doing, and they very strategically placed this container of drill bits right where I could stare at them. They seem pretty sharp, like cut your finger sharp. I don't know if they're any good, but you know, we're gonna try it. Not on this tractor. Some people call it a tractor, some people call it a riding mower, some people call it a zero-turn mower. If you live north of Dallas, Texas, you probably call it a ride-on mower, a ride-on. I don't know where that comes from. You gotta live north of Dallas in order to figure that out. So, belt replacement. Here we go. This bottom belt is for the mower blades, and this top belt, see how loose it is for the actual driving of the mower. It operates the hydraulics over here that make this thing turn or whatever. The exhaust is right here. It's still kind of hot, so if you hear me cuss, it's because I'm burning myself. Be right back. So first, I'm going to take loose this electrical connection, I think. This pops up. This pulls out. Yeah. We're going to want to take this thing loose. Why are these not in order? It's what happens when Mayhem gets a hold of your tools. 11, 10, 12. This does not belong here. This goes there. This goes here. So that makes this. What the hell is going on here? The 13 is missing. Why are these? What? Not really clear on how that goes in, but we'll see. I don't know what's on the other side. Okay, there's a nut or something up here. Oh, I see it. That's dumb. Could have tacked that in before. Okay. I think it would be possible too to go up there to the front and just release this belt and drop it, but supposedly this whole thing just pops off. Yeah, that moves. Okay, so now got slack on that thing. I don't think we need to take this off. Honestly, I should be able to just slip this around. I'm gonna bust these loose. This has to come off too, because the belt goes around. You can't see it. This has to come off because the belt goes around and through. It's in such a place that you're not going to be able to get a big tool on there. So we're going to have to do it by hand. Right? Let's think about that. No, it comes around. This has got to come out of the way. Let me take the belt off now. Drop it around here. And then we are stuck around that thing. Okay. Oh shit, really? You're not done. Oh. So what happens is when you don't use these things, they get all fucking dried up inside. So the new belt is significantly thicker because it's not worn the fuck out. So what we're going to do is feed this over here like so. Yes. And then we want to come over this thing. Shit. I don't know where that cut off, but I got the belt around the two front pulleys. We're lined up here. Now we have to put this thing back on. So it has a little nylon washer here. And then what we want to do is this piece here is going to curve in and get into our tensioner. And of course, now it wants to play games and not line up in the pulleys. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, so we're in, sort of. So first, God damn it. What I'm going to do is try and get this thing to line the fuck up. Hello? Hello? Thanks. Get where you belong. This goes in that, like that. And then this is going to go back in its twisted ass. Oh, look at that shit. Turns pretty good. So we should be able to, yeah. Oh my God, it goes in by hand. With a little WD-40. Look at that. You see me spinning with my hand, right? A little bit of grease will do you sometimes, buddy. Use it. Bring this back. We're going to hook like so, and then pull it in here. Both of these nuts appear to be the same. That's good. Alright, so that's that. So then what we're going to do is slide this back on. Yeah, it's fine. And then we're going to reattach it at the front. Look at that. Fortuitous serendipitous. So now all we have to do is this. Piece of cake. Okay. Put this bolt back through. Gotta tighten this too, but first, take this, goes in here like this. Remember? There's a stupid nut up there they put on for no reason. Okay. And then I gotta tighten that. Put this electrical back on. Good. Get that up out of the way. So, that's it for belt replacement on this model riding mower. 0 turn, 6000 CZT. It's just a process. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So till then, till the next time, take care, stay 6 feet apart, have fun mowing your grass, stay tuned.